Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Live Multi-Guest feature. The TikTok Multi-Guest feature allows creators to host multiple guests, up to 9 participants in total, in a single live session. You can invite specific users or allow viewers to send requests to join. Now, if you are hosting, all you have to do is first of all tap on your plus icon. Then you will be able to find live option on your left hand side. However, it is not shown in mine because I have yet to meet the eligible criteria to go live, which is I should at least have 1000 followers in my account, which I do not have as of now. But once you have gone through all your eligibility test, you should be able to find that option by tapping on this plus icon. From there, all you have to do is once you have tapped live, tap on the multi-guest icon, which looks like two overlapping circles or guests at the bottom left or right of the screen. Then tap the setting gear to choose who can join. Then allow request from viewers, which will let any request to join. Now limit guest request to your followers. Once you do so, select a grid where all participants appear in equal-sized boxes. Then the host remains on the main screen and the guest will appear in smaller boxes. Then tap Invite to select specific friends or creators, or view the request list to accept incoming viewer request. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.